Hey, what's up everyone? Shane here with ROA Off-Road. Today I'm going to be giving you a tip on the Dweller 15. This is applicable to also the Dweller 13, the Dweller 19, and actually most of our trailers. Conquerors, Explorers, they all have these very similar jacks. And so you're gonna need the same tools to operate them. But I wanna talk a little bit about the ones on the Dweller 15 and show you how they operate. It's really easy, really simple. You first-time users, or potential users or owners, check it out. So here it is. Down here on most of the trailers there are a 4-point jacks. Now these are not leveling jacks, these are stabilizer jacks. You cannot lift the trailer with these, and that's very important. If you do lift the trailer, there's a potential that they're gonna break, and they're not under warranty. These are an ARC jack and they're really good quality. These are, you see these on most Australian trailers in general. But so there's a little lever right here that you can pull. Sometimes if you just go and try to pull it, it's really hard. It can be a little stiff. And the reason why is because this leg obviously there's pressure pushing down. So what you do is just give it a little lift like that, and then it opens up just nice and easy. And if you let it go down, it locks into another spot. And if you go down again, there's another spot, and then they're straight. Ideally, you put it straight. And once again, it's just for stability. So when you're in the trailer, you put the bed out, definitely on the Dweller 15 and the 13, because you have this slide out bed. You wanna always make sure you put these down before you put the bed out. Obviously, they were down, I just put them up to show you. Every trailer comes with this tool. And essentially, what you're going to do is you're gonna slide this in right here, and it just is gonna go like this. Now, like I said, these are stabilizers, not lifts. We do have a modification. You're gonna wanna go check that video out, where we actually remove these out and put on a new stabilizer that has close to 2,000 pounds worth of lift, and we can replace all of these jacks with those, and then you could actually level the trailer side to side, lift it up to change a tire. Those jacks are really cool. These ones are just so, if it's windy, walking around in the trailer, and you're just gonna do it until you see it kind of lift up just a little bit, not too much, just so the pressure's off the thing. Super easy, super simple. You typically don't put these down until you have driven up on blocks side to side. If you have a Conqueror or an Explorer, you have airbags, so you just level side to side, and then you level front to back with the main tongue jack, and then you put these down. Now I do have a secret trick or a hack. It's a tool that you can get, and you can make this 10 times faster and easier. Because when you're out camping, you always want to make things more simple, and you don't want to break a sweat. If you want to see that video, I have another video that goes into more detail and shows you the secret tip on how to do this 10 times faster. That's gonna be over at our Dweller channel, and I'll go into more details and show you the secret trick on how to make this easier. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make a comment below. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.